Hey champs, today we are going to start our PHP function series. So our aim to make 100 function in PHP. So now let's restart first function with PHP. So this is the magical function in PHP. So now we start string. This is a test for PHP string function. Okay, so now dump string. So let's say our string has a space before and after. Okay, so now if we are going to the browser, so this will be adding a space. Okay, now if we want to remove this space, so now this function is come in the picture string trim done. Now refresh this. That's it. Now the second one is remove space after string and before string, and this will return with space. So friends, if you think this video is useful to you, so like this video and subscribe my channel, and make sure hit the bell icon so you will get the notification when I upload the video. And share this video with your friends, colleague who wants to learn programming. And thank you very much for watching my video.